Hi guys, we're going to check out the V20. It's the 4D-V20 with 4DRC drone eye. It's a little mini folding FPV drone. It's a little breezy out here, so bear with me. I'm going to try to fight this breeze so we can get some videos out there. Thanks for watching, guys. Oh boy. Yeah, we gotta kick her up a notch. See that breeze wanting her to go sideways. Come back here, girl. Trying to get it trimmed in a little bit here to help. I'm surprised it's still flying. This kind of breeze. Doing pretty darn good. There we go. That's pretty good. Try a couple flips while we're down here. Look at that. That is doing rather well considering all this breeze. Cutting right through it on second gear. Nice, I like it. Do a little better range test on another calmer day. I don't want to lose it. Not just yet. Yeah, it's having a hard time there. Got it full speed ahead. Kick her into third gear. Alright, I better bring it back down. Wind's just not cooperating today. At least we got a little video out here. Couple more flips and then we'll land it. It's difficult to control in all this breeze. Carry me away. There we go. Alright, let's land it. Oh, breeze. Whoops. We messed that one up. There you go. Let's try it one more landing. Gotta redeem myself. breezy. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.